Good morning, friends. We have filled up the puzzle 1, method 2, in part 1 and part 2, most of the cells. Now, remaining cells, we have to fill it up in part 3. See, these two boxes are not having, many of the cells are vacant, so it is not as smooth sailing as it was earlier. So, it will take some time. Let us hope that we can finish it here. Okay, see. This column C2, you say, take column C2 and take this R7, this cell R7 C2, it must be filled up. So this is in box 7, so B7, what are the numbers? 4, 6, 1, 3, 9, 8 and 2. These are the numbers in the box 7. And column C2, 9, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 3. These are the numbers. And row R7, 4, 6, 1, 9 and 5. Friends, see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 9 and 8 are there, so 7 is not there. So let us, so R7 C2 is filled with 7. Now coming to see, in this column C2 there is only one cell left over. Now this is R9 C2. Cell R9 C2. It must be filled. So already C2 column we have added one more. C2 column 7 has been added. Box also it is one. Box also 7 has been added. Now let us see R9 C2. This R9 is, take R9, row R9. R9 is 8, 2, 1, 4 and 3. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. So R9 C2 must be filled with 5. Friends, this box 7 is completed. Similarly, column C2 is also completed. Now, friends, let us see. Now, see, in this box, maximum number of cells have been filled up. Let us try to fill up these the other two cells. So box 9, B9. What are the numbers? 9, 5, 8, 7, 1, 4 and 3. Box 9. So we have to fill up these two cells. So C9, C9 is 7, 8, 4, 1 and 3. Let us take row R7. We have to fill up R7 C9. R7 C9 cell. So row R7 is 4, 7, 6, 1, 9 and 5. 1 is there. Row R7. Oh, okay. 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Okay, we have to fill up R7 C9 with 2. Now In the box another number has been added, 2 has been added. Now we have only one cell is there, and column C9 we have to take. Column C9 also one number has been added, 2. 7, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2 has been added. Now take row R8. Row R8. It is 1, 3, 9, 8 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is not there, 7, 8, 9 are there. So let us fill it up with 6. So R7, sorry, this is R9, R8, C9 with 6. So box is completed. And also C9 is also completed. Friends, now we are having some difficulty because these cells are to be filled up which are having maximum number of. Okay, now coming to this box, here, this box also is having only 2 cells, so let us fill it up first. So box 3, B3, what are these? 6, 1, 4, 8, 7, 2 and 3. These are the numbers. Let us take row R1, 2, 9, 3, 6 and 1. We have to fill up R1 C9. R1 C9 cell we have to fill it up. Box we have taken, R1 we have taken. Now let us take C9 column. C9 is 7, 8, 4, 1, 2, 6 and 3. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is not there at all. 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 and 9. Okay, let us fill it up with 5. Now there is only one cell left over in that box 3. So box 3 now another number has been added, 5. Similarly C9 also another number has been added, 5. Now we have to take R3 row R3. R3. Now 7, 8, 4, 1, 2 and 3. These are the numbers in R3. So let us see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is missing. So let us write R3 C9, 9. Let us write 9 here. Box. Now B3 and C9 are completed. Friends, let us take C9 is completed. Okay, let us come to this. Whether we can fill. Okay, see, let us take this box which is having maximum number of cells empty. Let us see whether we can fill it up here, because here R3 is having maximum number of cells filled up. Let us take these. Let us try to fill up these two. So this is box 2, B2. Only one number is there, and R3 is 7, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 9 are there. Okay. Now column C5. C5 is 6, 1, 2. 6, 1, 2. Okay. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6 is there. So 5 is missing. So this must be filled with R3C5 with 5. Let us fill 5 here. Now only one cell is left over that in C. Let us that is R3C6. Cell R3C6. R3C6 must be filled up. Now row R3 there is another number added. 5 has been added and column C6. C6. Now in box 2 also one number has been added, 5. 1 and 5. Column C6 is 4, 8, 3 and 1. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 5 is there. 7, 8, 9 are there. So 6 is missing. So 6 must be filled up here. It must be filled with 6. Friends, so in box 2 we have filled up. Now this row R3 is completed. R3 is completed. Friends, let us see what are the things we can fill it up. Okay, here take row R9, whether we can fill up, only 3 numbers have to be filled up. Let us see whether we can fill it up. Okay, row R9. So this is box 8, B8. Only one number is also there, so many number of cells are vacant, so it is slightly difficult to fill up. Okay, one number is there. So let us take column C4. Column C4, 1, 9, 5 and 7. Column C4. R9. R9 is 8, 5, 2, 1, 4 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not there. So 6 has to be filled up, 6 has to be filled up here. R9, C4. 6. Okay. 6. Whether we can fill it up any. Okay. So let us take up 6, C6, column C6, and here row R1, box 2, B2 is 1, 5, 6, and R1 is 2, 9, 3, 6, 1, 5. 6 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. Okay. 8. C6. C6 is okay. 6, 4, 8, 3 and 1. Let us see. We have to fill up this column R1 C6. See, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So it must be filled with 7. 7. Okay. Let us see. Okay, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let us see this column. This column 36, 37. Okay, let us see this column C6. Column C6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. C6 is 7, 6, 4, 8, 3 and 1. Column C6 is and row R1. R1 is 2, 9, 3, 7, 6, 1 and 5. This is box 8, B8. 6 and 1 are there. So let us see. No. Sorry. No, not we have to check. Not this R1. Sorry, R9 we have to take. R9. Row R9. 8, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. C6, 7, 7, 6, 4, 8, 3, 1. Okay. And box. No, box 6, 1. Okay. Let us see what is the number. Okay. See, 1 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 and 8 are there. So we have to fill it up. Sorry, we have to, instead of taking R9, we have taken R9. That is it. Okay, now only one cell is left over in R9. Let us see. R9 already we are having 4, 3, 6 also has been added, and box 7. Sorry, 9 has been added. R9, 3, 9 has been added. Box 1, 6, 9. 6, 1, 9. Okay. Now we have to take C5 column. C5 column. C5 column. C5 column. Okay. 5, 6, 1 and 2. 1, 2. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So 7 is missing. Let us write 7 here. That is R9, C5 is 7. Now R9 is also completed. R9 is completed. Thank you, friends. Let us continue it afterwards in the part 4.